Hi friends and family, and welcome back to another clothing haul on my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer. I do beauty subscription and makeup subscription unboxings as well as clothing hauls, and I am a size 14 on the bottom and I am between a large and extra large on top. I am also 5 foot even, so I'm very short and chubby. So I thought that I would make these videos to give you my honest review and opinions based on the struggles that we have as women, because we are real people. I'm a real person giving real reviews, and you are a real person looking for feedback. So hopefully you will consider subscribe, and hitting the notification bell. Like I said, this is part 2 of our Shein haul. So if you missed the first part, I will have a link at the end. For Shein, I am in between the women's size and the curvy side, so I do shop from both. I struggle and take a lot of time to find the pieces that will fit me right. So I'm here to share those with you. So with that, let's go ahead and get this going. So this is the first top that I want to share with you. It is a nude colored bodysuit. This is from the curvy side. Really cute turtleneck. The sleeves are nice and perfect because, like I said, I'm short and these fit me very well. The material is great. It's stretchy, so it will stretch out quite a bit. I don't recommend sizing up because it is stretchy. And then in my first haul, I had these really cute sage green colored pants that I told you I had to get the black pair as well. So that's what these are. They are a little tiny bit long for me, but they're actually okay. Like I said, I'm very short, and I paired them with these shoes. Now I'm gonna show you these shoes again in case you missed them in the other video, but I got these on Shein as well. They are super adorable, very lightweight. They have this really nice material that lets your foot breathe, and then they have this really nice cushion inside. Totally recommend these. Super comfortable. I also paired them with these really cute earrings as well. So yes, just something very comfortable, very nice for the spring days that are still a little chilly. You probably could wear these with a pair of black jeans, or even just jeans in general. You know, the nude color will go very well with a lot of items. So definitely recommend this bodysuit and these really comfortable pants. Now this is an outfit that I chose for the cooler spring days because we're not quite out of the snow in my area. So I thought this would be very nice to still wear in, you know, on the cooler days without a jacket. Really cute ribbed shirt. I love the mauve color as well. Now this is from the women's side of things, and it is a little bit long, so which is not a huge deal. I can just pull up the sleeves. I did pair it with a pair of black jeans that I had from a couple of years back. They're just mud jeans from Kohl's, I think from Kohl's, and they have the distressed look. I did pair that with my favorite tennis shoes. Then I did pair them with these really cute earrings. I thought it was just a really super cute look. Now this is just a regular shirt that I tucked in, but here is what that looks like untucked, and it's just really super cute and comfortable, very thick and warm. So yeah, definitely for the very cool days. Probably won't need a sweater with this one, but I definitely think it is so darn cute. Now this is an outfit that I bought for date night. So usually when Babe and I go on vacation, we have at least one night where we have a date night. And so of course I had to find something to wear for that occasion. However, I am second guessing this one. I do really like it. It's super cute. But it is a little bit big for me. Now both the top and the bottom are from the curvy side. They do fit a little bit loose, especially because I am smaller on the top than on the bottom. So the problem with this is that, you see, I'm just a short girl, so I will probably have to take these in just a little bit to make it look a little bit more flattering for me. But I do love the detail of this shirt. It doesn't do it justice on the camera, so definitely refer to the picture for that. But it is very cute. And then I got this really pretty skirt. It's a very nice material as well. It has it is double layered, so it's not sheer or see-through. It's very cute. The detail is gorgeous, and it's like a velvet on the design. So here is this, is what that looks like from the back. Super adorable. And this shirt, let me just show you how long it is. You can pair this with quite a bit of things. Very nice cotton material. I love that about this. Lightweight, stretchy for sure. This is such a beautiful top. I couldn't pass it up. And again, I am not even mad that the straps are a little bit big for me. Let's see. I also paired them with these super cute darling earrings. I just thought that it was an elegant look. I probably won't wear it with this necklace just because it'll be a date night type of a thing. But yeah. And it's very super comfortable. I also paired it with my black sandals that are very comfortable, because I am too old to be wearing heels, girl. Like, I will die. So I just can't do it no more. I just can't do it. So, alright, let's move on to the next outfit. Now, this outfit is super comfortable. Both the top and the bottom are from the curvy side, and I love them both. I was a little bit skeptical because of the sizing on these, but they both turned out to be very, very well. This is like a really stretchy material, so you know, it's a more of a, I believe it's like a cotton spandex, so it's really soft but really stretchy at the same time. It has the ruched sides, so you can pull it up as high as you want, or you can pull it a little bit down. You can definitely tie the sides if you like, to give it that cute girly look. I wear it, I kind of like it just like this. I mean, it's nice that they're on both sides. It definitely kind of hides away that gut just a little bit, or at least I hope it does. And then these shorts are really nice because they're a little bit longer, but they're not quite Bermuda. So I really like that about these, because they don't have all that extra material here on the sides, and they do have that rolled hem, which I like. Also, they have this really cute belt, which I didn't think I was going to care for when I ordered these, and I thought, well, as long as they fit, then I'll just take the little belt off. But I actually adore the little belt. Like, it is so cute. A great addition to your summer wardrobe just because they are so comfortable. And then I paired them with my favorite tennis shoes right now. And I also thought that I would wear these really cute little pineapple earrings to kind of give it that summer vacation vibe. Like, this is just a very touristy type thing to wear when I'm walking through buying souvenirs for the family. So yeah, it's super cute and comfortable. Definitely a good purchase for me. I am happy with it. It doesn't give my curves all that much, you know, it doesn't do much for my curves, but that's okay. You know, sometimes you just want to be comfortable and happy, and this would be that outfit. Like, it's still cute but comfortable. Now this outfit I'm not 100% sold on. It is the paper bag shorts, which I feel like for me, because I'm short, it makes me look even shorter and it makes me look wider, but I couldn't pass up trying on these shorts. They are just so cute. I loved the pinstripe and I loved the brown mauve color. And I asked my honest 11-year-old what he thought, and he said that this outfit looked really nice. So I did go ahead and give myself, or gather up the courage to try this on for you guys, because I love this style of shorts. I wish that they fit me better. But they are so cute and so comfortable. They do not have pockets. These shorts are from the Curvey side. They do have this really cute bow. This is the original bow that came in the bag, or tied in the bag, so I didn't want to undo it because I can't do it this cute to save my life. They are, you know, they're a good length. They're not too short. Then I paired it with this white top. Now the white top is from the regular women's side of things, but it is very flattering. The neckline is very nice. The shirt is very thick quality and it is not sheer whatsoever. It's a very thick material. It is also stretchy. It also has like this definitely like a cottony feel to it, and I thought it just looked super cute and comfortable, nice and cool for those hot weather days. I did pair it with the pineapple earrings again, just because I love them. I thought they were so cute and had that vacation vibe. I did pair them with my favorite tennis shoes right now, and then here is the back of this outfit. So, something I may wear on vacation. Like I said, you know, probably review the videos, see how they look on me from a third-person perspective, but they are so adorable. Like, my fingers are crossed. And this shirt is just, it is a shorter length. Like, it's not quite crop top, but it does come just about to the belly. Like, my belly button is like right here, so it's like just enough, because I'm not a crop top girl, so you really won't see me in any crop tops, or, you know, it would have to look right for me. So this is probably as short as I would go on a shirt, but yeah, I just thought that this was so cute and refreshing together. So that wraps it up for this, what part are we on? Second part of the Shein haul. Now, I have plenty more to show you guys. This may actually turn into like a good 6 or 7 part series, just because I kind of ordered a lot of things and I loved a lot of stuff. So I may do like a jewelry haul or earring haul, because I did order so many earrings and bracelets, and then I ordered this necklace. What else did I do? Oh yes, please stay tuned. I have a swimsuit haul. They will be one-piece swimming suits, just because, like I said, I do not show my midsection. It is not pleasant, and I am very self-conscious about that. I also have a couple of biker shorts that are very nice and comfortable. I also ordered from the home department of Shein a lot of cool little gadgets. Like, I've been very impressed with their gadgets. So if you want to see more of these videos, please give it a thumbs up so I know to continue filming those. And yeah, stay tuned. Comment what you do like, comment what you might want to see. and hit the notification bell so that you can get the updates of and get notified when I do more of these series. I will probably do other clothing hauls as well, just because shorts are so hard for me to find that I like. So yeah, thank you guys again and have a great week. Bye!